All right, construction material today, guys. Let's go. Get it. All right, guys, we got 8 heaters. Let's go. One more trip. I didn't bring my G-Wagon today. G-Wagon's in the garage. All right, this one requires a signature, so he's coming down at the moment. All right, last one of the 3 deliveries. Got some wires, pipes, I don't know, just front door. Let's go. Alrighty, so last order was $20. Took me like 40 minutes, I would say, 45. So yeah, not too shabby. Yeah, roughly like $2 per mile. Now we're waiting for another order. Let's go. All right, guys. Next order we got $9.50 for 3 miles from Illegal Pete's. $9.50 for 3 miles. Grubhub. Let's go. Alright, guys, got a DoorDash order, roughly $1 per mile. Tuesday night, slowest night of the week, so can't be too picky tonight, I guess. Alright, just 3 clothing items. Well, 2 of them was boxer and it was locked up. Took like 30 seconds for the Walmart associate to open, so not too shabby. So this order, I think, is $4 per mile. Took me like, I don't know, 5 minutes or so. Well, shopping takes 5 minutes. Total time is probably 15-20 minutes-ish. Not too shabby. 3 item shopping. Those are my favorite. Let's go. Alright, so the second of the 2 orders is handed to me. So I always snap a photo before I hand it to them. Yeah, just to protect yourself. And they increased the tip by $2. Tip was increased by $2. Woohoo!